Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONCI. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this analysis several times, although it's been a couple weeks, I think, since the last update, but definitely want to get things updated here as the chart is now approaching a very important level, at least from a technical analysis perspective. And with that being said, no point in beating around the bush. Where is this important level at? Like I said, it's around the area. It's not sitting right at it, but that very, very important level on the chart is right there at 008. Why is 008 so important? Well, actually not once. So let's go back to the history of the chart here, but not once, but twice the price has essentially bounced right off that area. Again, is the price down at it? Okay, I guess it depends on how you define quote unquote at it. Is it within the realm? Yeah, I think we can all agree that the price is definitely starting to flirt once again with this 008 mark. And that is definitely a very, very important level of support going forward, because if the price cannot hold above it, then that would literally put the price, down at lows that the chart hasn't seen since early September. And assuming you're bullish, I'm assuming I state the obvious when I say, yeah, you don't want to see the price going back into ranges where it was way back in September. But so far, so good. Like I said, to give the bulls full credit, technically speaking, the price hasn't even tested 008 recently. My point here is that it is getting within the range of it, and going forward, this is, from the charting perspective, an area that you're definitely going to want to see, hold strong in the event the price does, get down to that area. Now, what happens if the price cannot hold above that area? In that event, where would the next level of support be? Well, this actually also just shows why that is so important, because the next level of support essentially not until down there at 006. And that is just the catch-22 of this beast move that happened here. The market is very efficient, just economics 101, right? There's always a trade-off. And one of the trade-offs with beast moves, which again was what this whole thing was right here, is it can create spaces between areas of support. And that's exactly what you have right here, a pretty big space between areas of support. Now, don't get me wrong. If 008 does fail, am I saying within 20 seconds it's going to be at 006? I'm not saying that. But the point being, technically speaking, there's kind of just a lot of no man's land right here where the price could then, potentially at least drift down to 006. But again, 008 is doing a good job of holding, and it's done a great job in the past. So going forward, certainly keep an eye on 008. It's a very important technical level. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.